Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this wire stripper from Parkside, the model PKAZ2B2. It is a practical and compact stripping tool for standard cable cross sections. Wire stripping length from 6 to 18 mm with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Inside we have instructions. Nice. Maximum 2.5 mm cable. Great. There it is. Soft grip, black and red. The adjustment from 6 mm to 18 mm, the maximum. And I will start with a smaller cable. Nice and clean cut, I like that. That is 0.25 mm. Then 0.50 mm, the diameter. And again a clean cut. Is not damaging inside the copper. 0.75 mm. Nice. The same in here. I like it, clean cut. 1.5 mm. Adjust the length, of course, let's say on 12. Clean cut again, not damaging any wire inside. I like that. And the maximum 2.5 mm. Nice! I like the results. And of course we have the cutter here. You can see there is a cutter inside here. You can have the cable and cut. Nice! Small, portable, lightweight. You can have it anywhere and use it at the right moment, stripping any cable from the installation, cutting the cable wherever and whenever you want. Nice grip. With a cost only €5. I think the price is very good. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.